Here at the Institute on the Constitution, we are on a mission to restore the constitutional republic through grassroots education. Grassroots. This means we need you in order to achieve this mission. When you become a member of the Institute on the Constitution, you gain access to all the tools needed for you to help us achieve this mission. Number 1, you gain access to all courses offered online currently and in the future. This includes our most popular U.S. Constitution course and the Truth of America's Founding course. You will also have the option to access our teaching tools, meaning tools needed to teach our courses in your home, church, and community. You also get support through our growing Facebook group, or you may contact us at our office or via email. This type of grassroots education is what truly sets brush fires of freedom in the minds of men. Number 2, as a member, you also get 10% off all products on our online store. Whether you start teaching our courses or not, this helps you and your future students save money on physical classroom materials, books, and DVDs, and so on. Number 3, your monthly membership payment is tax deductible. Institute on the Constitution is a nonprofit organization. As a result, you get to deduct all purchases. That includes your monthly membership donation. Thank you for joining us in our mission. Feel free to set up your membership below right now.